Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to show you how I make an Italian dessert called tiramisu. This recipe is super easy and fast. The cream is eggless and without any alcohol. Let's see what we need. 250 gram mascarpone, 250 ml whipped cream, 300 ml coffee, 1 tablespoon of choco powder, 150 gram ladyfinger, 1 vanilla sugar, 1 vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. As a first step, make strong coffee because it needs to be cold when we dip the ladyfingers. For this portion of dessert, I needed 6 shots of espresso. In the meantime, let me tell you how much I like this coffee machine. It makes very nice coffee and creamy milk, like in a coffee shop. If you are interested, you can find the link in the description below. Good quality and affordable price. Check it out! Now take a bowl and use an electric mixer in low mode and mix the mascarpone for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the vanilla extract and vanilla sugar. Continue mixing it for another 2 minutes. Use another bowl and mix the whipped cream. When it is halfway done, add 4 tablespoons of sugar and continue mixing it until it's hard enough to hold a spoon. If you are using sweetened whipped cream, you don't need to add any extra sugar. Now we need to combine the two cream. First I use a spatula. Then for 1 minute, I use my electric mixer. It is time to layer the ladyfingers and the cream. Dip the ladyfingers in a cold espresso and layer it at the bottom. Top of it comes the cream. The second layers of ladyfinger, place it horizontally. Continue layering until you have cream. Make sure you have enough cream at the top. As you can see, I have 3 floors. The last little touch is sprinkling choco powder on the top. Keep it in the fridge overnight before you serve it. This was my tiramisu recipe. If you like my video, please thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye!